In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if you are muted on Zoom. Whether you're working from home, attending a virtual event, or catching up with friends, Zoom has become an essential part of our communication toolbox. But one common challenge is determining whether you're muted or not during a call. Let's walk through this process to ensure you never miss out due to a muted microphone. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to zoom.com. This is your starting point, where you'll log in to access all of Zoom's features. So whether you typically use Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, just type in the URL and hit enter. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, locate the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the web page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to click on your profile icon. You can find this icon usually at the top right corner as well. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with some options. Look for your name or the profile section and give it a click. This is crucial because here is where you start accessing the settings you need for checking your mute status. Once you've clicked on your profile, the next step is to click on the web app. This step will transition you from the setup phase to actually getting into a meeting. The web app allows you to handle meetings directly from your browser without needing the desktop application. The following step is to click on the Home button. This will take you to your Zoom dashboard, the main hub where you manage meetings. From here, you'll have various options, including scheduling or joining meetings. Next, locate the New Meeting button. By clicking on it, you initiate a new Zoom session. This allows you to enter a meeting environment where you can see all the tools and icons available, including the all-important microphone one. Once you've started your new meeting, direct your attention to the microphone icon, typically located at the bottom left of the screen. If you see a red line across the microphone, this means you are muted. Simply click on this icon to unmute yourself. When the line is removed, your microphone is active and participants will be able to hear you. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to easily figure out your mute status on Zoom. This knowledge ensures that you won't have those awkward moments where people can't hear you when you're trying to speak. It's always good to double check your settings, especially at the start of a meeting, to make sure everything is running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy Zooming.